Are you a singer who is tired of struggling at the piano? Maybe you've taken piano lessons or a piano course in the past and it just completely left you in the lurch. If you can tell that you really need piano skills, but you're not sure where to turn, have I got something for you. Crash Course in Piano Skills for Singers is a mini workshop designed to give you a kickstart or a restart and get you moving toward your piano goals. I'm Brenda Earle Stokes. I'm a singer, a pianist, and music educator who has taught hundreds of singers how to play piano. Crash Course in Piano Skills for Singers is an effective shortcut to get you started learning the actual skills you need. This course is a simple blueprint for you to move towards actually feeling comfortable on the piano. This course covers all the things you'll need to get started. You'll learn simple finger exercises that will get your fingers comfortably moving around the keyboard. You'll learn how to play major and minor chords in all 12 keys without struggle. You'll learn simple accompaniment strategies that won't require you to read complicated sheet music. You'll learn a 5-minute sight reading practice routine that actually works. You'll learn the posture, hand position, and technique that you need so that you can avoid injury and play a beautiful sound. And you'll learn my easy practice protocol that will help you get more done in less time. In this mini workshop, we skip through all the whistles and bells and get you playing the actual material you need to be playing. This is for you if you are a singer who feels shaky at the piano, if you're a singer or voice teacher who needs a solid refresher course to get back into practice routine, if you're a voice teacher who wants to teach basic piano skills to your singing students. This is perfect if you prefer a self-paced program and you want to skip the traditional approach and skip to the material you actually need to play. Imagine having a clear blueprint in front of you that you know will work. Imagine sitting down for 20 minutes a day knowing that you are actually making progress at the piano. And imagine how great it's going to feel to sit down and actually be able to accompany yourself and your singing students at the piano. Crash Course in Piano Skills for Singers is the perfect course for you. Purchase it today and you'll get 45-day access to all of the materials, plus a weekly email from me with more motivation, practice tips, and support. Sign up for Crash Course in Piano Skills for Singers today.